A very happy good morning to all. This is B. Sai Prasanna studying in Diploma in Electrical and Electronics Engineering in Krishnadevaraya Government Polytechnic College in Onparthi. Today I am here to share about ozone layer depletion and how to protect the ozone layer from depletion. In the year of the 1988, the United Nations General Assembly declared September 15 as a ozone layer protection day. What is mean by ozone layer? Ozone layer is a natural layer that protects the earth from UV radiation, that is ultraviolet radiation from the sun. We cannot live without the ozone layer. The life impossible on the earth without ozone layer or damage of the ozone layer. Next, ozone layer depletion. What is mean by ozone layer depletion? The decrease in the ozone layer in the stratosphere by the chemicals is called the ozone layer depletion. Why should we protect the ozone layer depletion? We should protect the ozone layer depletion because that is crucial to protect the ozone layer depletion because it absorbs the UV radiations and protects the earth from UV radiations, that is ultraviolet radiations from the sun. The life is impossible without the ozone layer. So we should protect the ozone layer and we should reduce the depletion of the ozone layer. What are the causes of the ozone layer depletion? By releasing of the chlorofluorocarbons into atmosphere, by using the chlorofluorocarbons in refrigerators, ACs, that is air conditions, and by releasing the nitric oxide by the jet plane, and by burning the coal and oil is also cause of the ozone layer depletion. By releasing the chlorine, methane, carbon dioxide gases into the atmosphere is also one of the reason to depletion of the ozone layer. These are the causes to depletion of the ozone layer. And what are the effects we will cause by the ozone layer depletion? Reducing of the photosynthesis in the plants. By this, vegetation also reduces and decreases the skin disease like skin cancers and eye diseases. These are the effects of the ozone layer depletion. And increases the atmospheric temperature and reduces the immune system in the body of the humans, and reducing of the immune system leads to spreading of virus and diseases. And this is the effects of ozone layer depletion. Next, we should protect the ozone layer from the depletion. What are the precautions we should take? Use less pesticides and do not use of the pesticides. Nitrogenous pesticides is the result to protect the ozone layer, and less using and not using of the chlorofluorocarbons, and prohibition of the using of chlorofluorocarbons, and friendly environmental equipment, and not using pesticides, chemicals, and not releasing of the chemicals into the atmosphere, and chlorofluorocarbons, utilizing environmental friendly environment, and discouraging the using of the private vehicles. It is also one of the prevention of the depletion layer. And I want to conclude my words by saying the one sentence: ఇంటి కప్పు దెబ్బతింటే ఇంటికే నష్టం, ఓజోన్ పొర దెబ్బతింటే భూమి పుడిమికే నష్టం. అందుకే protect the mother earth by protecting the ozone layer. So protect the ozone layer by reducing the using of the chlorofluorocarbons and poisonous gases, and protect the mother earth. Now I want to conclude this speech and I am going to wind up my words. Thank you for giving this golden opportunity to me.